Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to General Knowledge. Today is the part 1 of the general knowledge I'm going to discuss with you. Total 500 MCQs, but in today's video we will discuss first part in which 46 MCQs will be included. What is the total number of districts in Pakistan? 154. The total number of districts in Punjab is 36. The total number of districts in KP is 35. Which is the oldest cantonment of Pakistan? Kohat. On which river did India construct Wular Barrage, Jhelum? Name the commander-in-chief who was also the defense minister in civil government. Ayub. Who was the second martial law administrator? Yahya Khan. Name the smallest division of KP. Torghar. Jinnah of Pakistan was written by Stanley Wolpert. Shalimar Garden was built by Shah Jahan. Where is the tomb of Iqbal located? Near Badshahi Masjid. Gadni Beach is located in which province? Balochistan. Which country does Karakoram Highway connect Pak with? China. Name the smallest state by area. Malta. Which gas do the plants exhale at night time? CO2. Distance from the north and south equator is called latitude. Between which two countries has Eastern Mediterranean island Cyprus been divided? Greece and Turkey. Reuters is the news agency of UK. What does WWW stands for? World Wide Web. Most urbanized province of Pakistan? Sindh. Black gold is the name of oil. Which is the coldest area in the world? Siberia. Capital of Azad Jammu Kashmir? Muzaffarabad. In which year did Pakistan win the World Cup? 1992. Which area of Pakistan is sandwiched between China and Indian occupied Kashmir? Baltistan. Which war was fought in 1945 to 46? First Anglo-Sikh War. Bristol is the seaport of UK. 1999 UN sent peacekeeping mission to which country? Kosovo. Name the oldest barrage of Pakistan? Sakhar. Gulf War was between which countries? Between Iraq and coalition of 39 nations including the US, Egypt, France and Britain. Which structure on the land is visible from the moon? The Great Wall of China. Country with the shortest coastline is Monaco. Which country has the biggest irrigation system in the world? Pakistan. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. Name the city of canals. Venice. In which part of the Asia is China situated? East Asia. Name the currency of Sweden. Krona. Cedi is the currency of Ghana. Name the currency of Romania. Lei. When was the first cabinet of Pakistan established? 15 August 1947. Which temple did M. Ghaznavi destroy? Somnath Temple. In which war did Tipu Sultan die? For Mysore War. Which country has the least population growth? China. Lome is the capital of Togo. Pakistan, the Heart of Asia is a book written by Dash in 1950. Liaquat Ali Khan. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? Babur.